Brownstew chicken is definitely one of my go-to meals, but have y'all tried brownstew jackfruit? So I picked up some fresh jackfruit at the farmer's market, but I was like, no, I cannot cook my fresh jackfruit. So I grabbed a few cans of the young green jackfruit, drain, rinse well, and boil for 10 minutes in some salt water. I spice this up just like how I would make my chicken. Onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, tomatoes, the bell peppers, ginger, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, cayenne pepper, and definitely some green seasoning. Mix well, and I did add a little browning to the skillet because the browning didn't give it the color I was looking for, and I want to brown it up like how I'm browning the chicken. Add your aromatics to the skillet. Some water, a little ketchup, some sweet chili, yes, more green seasoning, mushroom sauce, and a Worcestershire sauce, and a little jerk seasoning. Gave it that nice kick because my scotch bonnet them never hot enough. Simmer on medium heat for another 10 minutes. I did pair this up with some nice shredded cabbage. Fried plantain is definitely a must. Only thing missing was the avocado. This was so good. I want you guys to try the recipe and tell me how you like it. The recipe list is in the caption. Enjoy.